ground model add-in for ArcGIS Pro consists of three main elements: the ground model window, which you see at the bottom of the screen, the ground model table of contents, which is located on the left side of the screen, and the ground model ribbon, which you find at the top of the screen. The ground model window offers three different types of viewer: a 3D viewer, a cross-section viewer, and a log viewer. Elements are displayed in the different viewers either by ticking them off in the ground model table of content or by using this display option at the ground model ribbon and selecting them in the map. Since there are different viewers, you should first activate the window you want to display the data in. You do this simply by clicking on the window frame to activate it. You'll notice that there is an orange frame around the active window. In this example, the 3D window now shows bathymetry with proposed wind turbine locations and cable routes, along with a few seismic lines and an interpreted subsurface layer. In this view, I have symbolized the wind turbine locations as both turbines and piles extending 40 meters into the ground. You can control the symbology of the data by right-clicking in the table of content and going to Settings. For lines, points, and polygons, you can set labels, you can specify extrusion or specify a set value, and you can pick different colors. For surfaces and rasters, you can change the color mapping range, the elevation method by draping them on top of each other, and you can control the color bars and transparency. For seismic data, you can change the color mapping, changing the amplitude range and cut, and you can remove the water and set transparency. Moving on to the cross-section window, you can see that this shows the intersection between any subsurface layer and the seismic line. The log viewer does the same. Additionally, it's possible to project nearby features onto the seismic line, as we've done here with the CPT and the piles for the wind turbine locations. You can control what's projected onto the line by adjusting the buffer distance here on the ribbon. This buffer is also visible in the map. Furthermore, you can see that there's cursor tracking between the map and the seismic section, and you can see the extent of the seismic view from the cross-section highlighted in the map. On the ribbon, you will also find functionality for flipping the seismic section, adjusting the set scale of your displays, measuring distances in 2D and 3D, and adding new viewers. This is also where you find the seismic interpretation tools and the import functionality.